Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have a very important question for you. Why are you afraid to speak English?
Oh, I know this feeling very well.
Really? What happens when you try to speak English?
In my mind, I know some words. I understand simple English, but when I want to speak, I suddenly feel nervous.
That happens to many English learners.
Yes, I start thinking, what if I say something wrong?
Exactly. And today, we're going to talk about that fear.
So, this is not only about learning new words?
Not at all. Sometimes the biggest problem is not your English. The biggest problem is your fear.
Wow, that sounds true.
You may know many words. You may understand English videos. You may even know the correct answer, but when someone asks you to speak, you become quiet.
Yes, my brain suddenly says, no English today.
And that's okay. You're not alone.
So, why are we really afraid?
There are a few common reasons. We are afraid of mistakes. We are afraid that people will laugh. We are afraid of using the wrong word.
Sometimes I'm also afraid because I think other people speak better than me.
That is another big reason. We compare ourselves too much.
So, what should we do?
First, understand one simple thing. You do not need perfect English to start speaking.
I like that.
Good, because in this lesson, we're going to learn how to speak even when you feel nervous.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's start with the biggest fear, making mistakes.
Yes, I always want my sentence to be perfect.
But here's the problem. If you wait for perfect English, you may wait forever.
That's a little scary.
Don't worry, let's make it simple. Imagine you want to say, I went to the store this morning.
Okay,
But you forget the word went. What can you do?
maybe I can say I go to the store this morning.
Yes, it may not be perfect, but people can still understand you.
So, communication is more important than being perfect?
Exactly. You can improve later, but first you need to open your mouth and speak.
That makes sense.
Try this. Say, I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Great. Now say, I make mistakes and that's okay.
I make mistakes, and that's okay.
Excellent. Say it again.
I make mistakes, and that's okay.
Good. Now let's make it more natural. Someone asks, are you good at English?
I can say, not yet, but I'm learning.
Perfect.
I like that answer because I don't need to feel ashamed.
Exactly. You are learning. Nobody expects you to know everything.
So I should stop trying to sound perfect.
Yes. Try to sound clear, simple, and natural.
I think I can do that.
And the more you speak, the easier it becomes. Now, let's talk about another fear. The fear of people.
Oh, yes, this one is difficult for me.
What do you think people will say?
Maybe they will laugh. Maybe they will notice my mistakes.
Maybe, but let me ask you something. When you hear someone trying to speak your language and making a small mistake, do you laugh at them?
No, usually I understand that they are learning.
Exactly. Many people feel the same way about you.
So maybe I'm worrying too much.
Probably. And even if someone laughs, remember this. Their reaction does not decide your progress.
That sounds powerful.
Let's practice. Say, I'm not afraid to learn.
I'm not afraid to learn.
Now say, I don't need to be perfect.
I don't need to be perfect.
Great. One more. I can speak even when I feel nervous.
I can speak even when I feel nervous.
Beautiful. Here's something important. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Every time you speak, even for 10 seconds, you teach yourself that English is not dangerous. A mistake is not a failure. It is proof that you are trying. So don't wait until you feel completely ready. Speak with the English you have today. Say one sentence, then another. Practice every day. Stay patient and enjoy the journey. Little by little, your fear will become smaller and your voice will become stronger.
I really needed to hear that.
Now, let's practice some real-life situations.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine you meet someone new. You want to start a conversation.
That makes me nervous already.
Keep it simple. You can say, "Hi, how are you?"
Hi, how are you?
They say, "I'm good. How about you?"
I'm good too.
Great. Now, imagine you want to continue the conversation.
What can I say?
Ask a simple question. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Or what do you do?
What do you do?
See, you don't need a long, difficult conversation.
I think that is one of my problems. I always think I need to say something interesting.
No, simple English is real English.
I like that.
Let's try another situation. Someone asks, "What did you do today?"
I can say, I went to work, came home, and watched a movie.
Excellent. Short, clear, and natural.
And if I forget a word,
Don't stop. Use other words. You can say, "I don't know the word, but it's like..."
oh, that can help me continue speaking.
Exactly. Good speakers do not know every word. They know how to keep going.
That gives me more confidence.
Good. Confidence grows when you stop running away from small speaking situations. So let's look back at what we learned today.
We learned that fear is normal.
Yes,
We learned that I don't need perfect English.
correct.
And mistakes are not something to hide from.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning.
We also learned that simple sentences are enough to start a conversation.
Very good.
And the best way to become less afraid is to speak more.
That's the key.
So what should our listeners do today?
Here is your final practice. Look around you and save 3 simple sentences in English.
Okay, I am sitting here. I have my phone. I am practicing English.
Perfect. Now your turn, everyone. Don't overthink it. Just speak.
Even if the sentence is simple?
Especially if the sentence is simple.
I feel better now.
And you should. Remember, you are not afraid because you are bad at English. You are afraid because speaking is new, and new things can feel uncomfortable. But every small practice makes that discomfort smaller. Speak when you can, practice every day. Make mistakes, laugh at them, learn from them, and keep going.
I'm going to speak more from today.
That's wonderful. And if you feel nervous tomorrow, speak anyway.
One small sentence at a time.
Exactly. Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in yourself.
Your English does not need to be perfect to be heard. So open your mouth, use your voice, and start today.
See you next time.
Take care, keep speaking, and goodbye.